We were brought in by a client that we've worked with for 10 years or so, and they had purchased 150 acres, and it was just an absolutely pristine, beautiful piece of property.
Obviously, with any project, our job is to listen and to understand what the client's goals are. The core piece to this project was family. The client's ultimate goal was to find a way to live cohesively with the family and create a family farm.
Everything got detailed out before we ever put a shovel in the ground.
From the very beginning, we knew there was going to be multiple structures. Our goal is to help the client understand the scope of the project, timelines of the projects, and preliminary budgets so they know what things are going to cost right from the very beginning. Throughout the project, we maintain that line of communication so that any changes or updates are communicated and the client is always aware of where the project is at and where it is going.
Positioning that main residence was a big first step for how we were going to approach this project. We knew that the client wanted to be near the creek. There were views that they wanted to have of that creek bed. That was kind of one main driver for where the residence would be. The main residence was the anchoring point for this project, understanding what we were going to respond to with that and where that house was going to be located.
When you look at the balance between, especially the family barn and the house, those are two of the more high-profile structures on the property. And so a lot of those key elements that were pulled from the house, the stonework, the sapele mahogany on the porch and of the ceiling on the overhang above the front door at the barn, those are all pushed and pulled back and forth from the house to the barn. The house definitely is going to stand the test of time. I think it's going to age gracefully like we talk about. The products, the materials, the construction decisions were all done the right way with good intention.